Hey, it's Brian from BTech. Are you getting bounces specifically from Yahoo or AOL, and you've got a domain that's set up with Google Workspace? Well, it's probably your DKIM authentication. Let's check it out. What you have to do is you have to log into your account that has access to admin, then you go into admin, and then from there you go into apps, Google Workspace, and Gmail. Here we're looking for authenticate email. It's on for everybody. That's just Gmail, but what we have to do is we have to make sure that DKIM authentication is working. So you have to generate a record. We're going to be using Google, yeah. We're going to get that. And then we're going to have to put this in our DNS records. So whoever's hosting your DNS, you'll put it in there. So let's check that out. All right, let's do two things. We got a TXT record. We got to have this as the host name and then the value here. So we're going to go, I've got a GoDaddy, so we've set a new record, TXT. We're going to put that as our name, and then we're going to go back there and we're going to grab this value. That's all the way from the V equals. Paste that in there and save it. Now, propagation does take some time, so it could take up to 24 to 48 hours, as it says there. Typically, within the United States, it's really quick. So basically, then you'll come back here. We also have the 48 hours propagation to start the authentication. So that's what we got to do. Just keep coming back here, and eventually what's going to happen is it's going to be okay or not. So let's see. Okay, well, it looks like it's already set. So we are authenticating email with DKIM. Just update your DNS records. We've generated the record. Propagating. Just click save here. Back here, settings. Let's go back to authenticate email. And looks like we're already set here, so we don't have to do anything. But that's really it. So if you've got a bounce message you're trying to send to a group, I know Verizon, AOL, and Yahoo, I believe, all the same company, you get that bounce that says that specifically you're not trusted because of DKIM, and you are using Google Workspace as your email provider for your domain. So wouldn't be useful if it was Gmail, but if you've got your own domain like I do, tournament.net, and you have the admin, so you go in here, and then one last time you go into admin, which is in these dots. You should have that if you have access to it. Once you're here on the left navigation, unfold apps, unfold Google Workspace, click into Gmail, and find the email authentication, authenticate email, and then you should have values here. If not, you must generate the record, and then you need to post it as a new TXT record in your DNS provider. Mine's GoDaddy, but yours could be something different, but that must be there, so you must have it in both places. You must have it in the Google Workspace dashboard and in your DNS records. If you've got those, then you're golden. If this helped you out, please leave me a comment and say thanks a lot, and be sure to like and subscribe. Bye for now.